In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a company email onto Outlook. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to the top left and select on the Gmail icon just like so, or the profile icon. And then you want to go ahead and scroll down and press on this cog icon over here, and then it is going to open up your Outlook settings. Once you're over here, scroll down until you see accounts. Then you want to go ahead and press on this option that does say add account right over here. Then you want to go ahead and press on add an email account. Now, in order to add your company email, you want to go ahead and write in your email right over here. Do not press on add Google account because most likely if you're using a company email, it's going to have its own like custom domain. So what you want to do is you basically want to go ahead and type in your company email right over here, and then you will need to go ahead and enter in your password. And you may need to do some verification, but apart from that, you should be good. All right, so let's say for example, I wanted to add this email right over here. I'll go ahead and press on continue. And since it's already connected, then I should be good to go. So yeah, just make sure you type in your email correctly, type in your password, and it's honestly that simple. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.